You have taken your time to design your questionnaire, conduct interviews, and perform the tedious transcription process. Right now, you might be wondering, how will I analyze my interviews? After conducting a lot of research on this topic, I have found the most effective way to analyze interview transcripts is to follow a step-by-step approach popularized by Braun and Clarke in their scholarly article titled Using Thematic Analysis in Psychology. The main goal of Braun and Clarke article was to provide a step-by-step guide to help researchers conduct thematic analysis. The Braun and Clarke approach to thematic analysis is known as reflexive thematic analysis. The approach has continued to gain more prominence in scholarly research and has become even more refined. In this video, we are going to conduct a reflexive thematic analysis together. We're going to use NVivo 14. We are going to go from having interview transcripts such as this to having a well-organized data analysis report like this. This will all be possible after conducting the reflexive thematic analysis process. Before I forget, my name is Bernard Mugo from Surviving Research. Make sure you check the description for links to the complete data analysis report, resources, and references after completing the reflexive thematic analysis process. There are 6 main steps in conducting a reflexive thematic analysis, including 1. Familiarization with the data, 2. Generating initial codes, 3. Generating themes, 4. Reviewing potential themes, 5. Defining and naming themes, and 6.